This meeting of the Honourable Senate of Friday, first day of December 2023, is called to order. Members, Senators Dr. Morris, who is in London, Senator Golden Campbell and Senator Allen are joining us by Zoom and request the permission of the Senate so to do. Those in favor? Against? Welcome Senator Morris, Allen and Golden Campbell. Before we begin the business of the day, you would have noticed the Mayor of Barking and Dagenham, Councillor Donna Lumsden. Could stand for us, please. I ask you to welcome her, one of the many Jamaicans who continue to maintain connections with their homeland while providing service to the people of the United Kingdom. I think that this place here, Barking and Dagenham, is outside of London. And they used to, I know the name Dagenham because there used to be a Ford plant there, I think. So welcome. I know you're on an official visit to Jamaica, and welcome to the Parliament, and it's lovely to have you. Thank you very much for coming and spending some time with us this morning. Statements by ministers.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, Jamaica wishes to welcome the ICJ ruling on Guyana's application for provisional measures. It's a matter which I know has been tracked in the public domain recently, the court having reserved last week and issued its ruling only an hour ago. So my apologies to colleagues for the very short notice on our position. The government wishes to welcome today's unanimous ruling by the International Court of Justice on the Cooperative Republic of Guyana's request for the indication of provisional measures in the case concerning the 1899 arbitral award. The court's order made this morning strongly supports the position of Guyana, which is shared by Jamaica, that the government of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela should refrain from any action which would seize, acquire, or encroach upon, or assert or exercise sovereignty over the Essequibo region or any other part of Guyana's national territory. Even as Jamaica supports the court's order that both parties are to refrain from any action that aggravates the current situation, we note also that the court has said more particularly that the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela should, and I quote, refrain from taking any action which would modify the situation that currently prevails in the territory in dispute, whereby the Cooperative Republic of Guyana administers and exercises control over that area. Mr. President, this would have direct implications for the planned holding of a referendum by Venezuela on December 3rd. The order is also made pending the court's final determination of the validity of the arbitral award that established the land boundary between the two states. And in this regard, it is Jamaica's hope, as we have expressed on previous occasions, that Venezuela will participate meaningfully in that adjudication process. Mr. President, Jamaica expressly supports the statement issued earlier today by President of Guyana, His Excellency Irfan Ali, which welcomes the ruling and calls on Venezuela to join Guyana in demonstrating respect for international law and the principles that govern peaceful coexistence. It's a quote. We too view the ICJ adjudication process as a positive signal towards a peaceful resolution of this issue and one which will give validity to future outcomes. The government of Jamaica remains firmly committed to the principles of sovereignty and territorial integrity of states as enshrined in the United Nations Charter, and Jamaica fully supports the work of the ICJ and its ability to deliver justice where there is a breach of United Nations founding principles in an impartial, transparent, and independent manner. In this regard, Guyana can continue to count on Jamaica's support of the CARICOM position in defense of its sovereign rights and territorial integrity. Mr. President, I thank you.